Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on block paving, where we'll walk you through the entire process from preparation to installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to refine your skills, this video will provide you with practical tips and essential techniques to achieve a flawless finish. We'll cover everything from measuring and cutting to maintaining a professional attitude on site. Let's get started by understanding the basics and importance of careful planning before any paving project begins. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools and materials. This includes measuring tapes, string lines, block splitters, screeding rails, shovels, and of course your chosen paving blocks. Having everything ready ensures a smooth workflow and minimizes interruptions. Double-check your equipment for safety and functionality, and make sure you have protective gear like gloves and safety glasses. Proper preparation at this stage sets the tone for a successful project. Accurate measurement is the foundation of any paving project. Start by measuring the length and width of the area you plan to pave. Use a measuring tape and mark the boundaries with string lines or chalk. This helps you calculate the number of blocks needed and ensures you order the right amount of materials. Double-check your measurements to avoid costly mistakes and wastage later on. Precise measuring also aids in setting out straight lines and maintaining symmetry throughout the project. Once you have your measurements, it's time to mark out the site. Use string lines, stakes, and spray paint to outline the exact area where the blocks will be laid. This step is vital for visualizing the finished project and ensuring you stay within the plan boundaries. Clear communication with your team at this stage helps prevent errors and keeps everyone on the same page. Take your time to get this right, as it will guide all subsequent steps. Solid base is essential for long-lasting block paving. Begin by excavating the marked area to the required depth, removing any grass, soil, or debris. Next, lay a sub-base layer of crushed stone or hardcore, compacting it thoroughly with a plate compactor. This provides a stable foundation and prevents future sinking or shifting. Take care to keep the base level and consistent throughout the area, as this will directly impact the quality of your finished surface. Setting out levels correctly is crucial for drainage and appearance. Use a spirit level and string lines to establish the correct slope, usually allowing a slight fall away from buildings to direct water runoff. Adjust the sub-base as needed to achieve uniform levels. This step ensures your paving will not only look professional but also function effectively, preventing water pooling and potential damage over time. After setting the levels, it's time to screed the sand layer. Spread sharp sand evenly over the compacted sub-base, then use screeding rails and a straight edge to level the surface. The sand should be about 30-40 mm thick and perfectly smooth, as any imperfections will show in the finished paving. Take your time to get this step right, as it directly affects the final appearance and stability of your block paving. Selecting the right type and color of blocks is an important design decision. Consider the style of your property and the intended use of the paved area. Heavier-duty blocks may be needed for driveways, while decorative options can enhance patios and walkways. Lay out a few sample blocks to visualize the pattern and color combination before committing to the full installation. Before you start the actual installation, it's helpful to dry lay a section of blocks. This means placing them on the sand without fixing them, allowing you to check the pattern, spacing, and alignment. Make adjustments as needed to ensure everything fits perfectly. Dry laying helps you anticipate any tricky cuts or adjustments and gives you a clear vision of the final result. Cutting blocks neatly is essential for a professional finish, especially around edges and obstacles. Use a block splitter or a masonry saw for precise cuts. Always measure twice before cutting and wear appropriate safety gear. Take your time to ensure each cut is clean and fits snugly into place. Neat cutting not only improves appearance but also prevents movement and gaps in your paving. Begin laying blocks from one corner or a straight edge following your marked lines. Carefully place each block onto the screeded sand, pressing it down gently. Use spacers if necessary to maintain even gaps. The first row sets the standard for the rest of the project, so take extra care to ensure it's perfectly straight and level. Check alignment frequently as you go. Keeping your lines straight is key to a professional-looking finish. Use string lines stretched across the paving area as a guide. Regularly check that each row of blocks follows the line and make small adjustments as needed. Straight lines not only look better but also make the paving stronger and more durable. Consistency is crucial, so don't rush this step. Block paving is often more efficient and enjoyable when done as a team. Assign clear roles such as measuring, cutting, and laying blocks to streamline the process. Good communication and cooperation help prevent mistakes and keep the project moving smoothly. Encourage team members to support each other, share tips, and maintain a positive attitude throughout the job. As you lay each section, use a spirit level to check that the blocks are even and follow the intended slope. Make adjustments by adding or removing sand beneath individual blocks as necessary. Regular level checks prevent uneven surfaces and ensure proper drainage. This attention to detail will pay off in the final appearance and longevity of your paving. When you reach the edges or obstacles, measure and cut blocks to fit precisely. Use a masonry saw or block splitter for clean cuts and always wear safety equipment. Take your time to ensure each piece fits snugly, as gaps can weaken the structure and detract from the appearance. Neat cutting around edges is a mark of professional craftsmanship. Tidy work area not only looks professional but also improves safety and efficiency. Regularly clear away debris, unused materials, and offcuts. Organize your tools and keep pathways clear to prevent accidents. Encourage all team members to clean as they go, making the final cleanup much easier and faster. Proper waste segregation is essential for environmental responsibility and site safety. Separate recyclable materials such as packaging and offcuts from general waste. Use designated bins or bags for different types of waste and ensure everyone on site knows the system. This not only helps the environment but also keeps your work area organized and efficient. Machinery such as plate compactors and saws are essential for block paving, but they also pose safety risks. Always be aware of machinery in use around you. Wear appropriate safety gear, follow manufacturer instructions, and keep a safe distance when others are operating equipment. Clear communication and vigilance help prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. Once all blocks are laid, use a plate compactor to settle them into the sand bed. This step locks the blocks in place and creates a firm, even surface. Pass the compactor over the entire area several times, checking for any movement or unevenness. If needed, add more sand to fill gaps and compact again. Proper compaction is vital for durability and a professional finish. After compacting, sweep fine jointing sand into the gaps between the blocks. This locks them together and prevents movement. Use a broom to work the sand into all joints, then compact the area again to settle the sand further. Repeat the process until all gaps are filled. Jointing sand also helps prevent weed growth and enhances the stability of your paving. With all blocks and sand in place, perform a final check of levels and alignment. Use a spirit level and string lines to ensure everything is even and follows the intended slope. Make any last adjustments before cleaning up. This attention to detail ensures your paving looks great and functions properly for years to come. Thorough cleanup is the final step in any professional paving job. Remove all tools, leftover materials, and waste from the site. Sweep the surface to remove any remaining sand or debris. A clean site not only looks better but also leaves a positive impression on clients or neighbors. Take pride in your work by leaving the area spotless. Take time to inspect the finished paving for any imperfections or issues. Look for uneven blocks, gaps, or loose areas. Address any problems immediately to ensure a high-quality result. This final inspection is your opportunity to guarantee the durability and appearance of your work before handing it over or enjoying it yourself. Throughout the project, maintaining a high level of professionalism is key. This means being punctual, respectful, and attentive to detail. Communicate clearly with your team and clients and always prioritize safety and quality. A professional attitude not only leads to better results but also builds your reputation for future projects. There are various block paving patterns to choose from, such as herringbone, basket weave, and stretcher bond. Each pattern offers different visual effects and structural benefits. Take time to research and select the pattern that best suits your project's needs and aesthetic preferences. Proper planning of the pattern ensures a cohesive and attractive finish. Safety should always be your top priority. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially when using machinery or sharp tools. Encourage everyone on site to follow safety protocols and report any hazards immediately. A safe site is a productive site. Sometimes, unexpected challenges arise during block paving, such as uneven ground, weather changes, or material shortages. Stay calm and approach problems methodically. Communicate with your team, brainstorm solutions, and adapt your plan as needed. Flexibility and problem-solving skills are essential for overcoming obstacles and ensuring project success. Weather can significantly impact block paving projects. Avoid working in heavy rain or extreme heat, as these conditions can affect the sand and block stability. Plan your work schedule around the forecast and protect materials from the elements. Taking weather into account helps ensure a smooth installation and long-lasting results. To keep your block paving looking great, regular maintenance is essential. Sweep the surface frequently to remove debris and occasionally reapply jointing sand to keep blocks stable. Address any weeds or moss promptly and clean stains with appropriate products. Proper maintenance extends the life of your paving and preserves its appearance. Congratulations, you've now learned the complete process of block paving from initial preparation to final maintenance. By following these steps and maintaining a professional attitude, you can achieve a durable and attractive paved surface. Remember, attention to detail and teamwork are key to success. We hope this guide has empowered you to tackle your next block paving project with confidence.